We can't change genetics, but I can make you more attractive. See, you might think you're stuck being a 3. I'm gonna show you how I can get you to a 7 or an 8. Let's hop into this. 1, you gotta use clothes that give you that V shape. That is that ideal body shape, that ideal shoulder to waist ratio. You usually want around a 10-inch drop, and obviously the best way to get this, go to the gym. Build that shape for real. But while you're working towards that, you can use clothing that gets you there. This is why I love cropping my sweaters, or you'll see me tucking in my t-shirts, where I want it to emphasize my shoulders and slim down my waist, so you can always have that superhero effect to your body frame that makes you look more masculine and dominant. Multiply that with actually going to the gym and building the physique, you're gonna look great. 2, use shoes that give you at least an inch of a sole. So this is all about being strategic. Obviously, you don't want to be the guy that's 5'6" wearing shoes that are 3 inches thick, because it's obvious, clearly you're not 5'9". However, an extra 1 to 2 inches can go unnoticed and make a significant difference. It could mean you going from 5'10" to 6, or 5'8" to 5'10", or 6 to 6'2", 6'2" to 6. Those 2 inches will take you from a 4 to a 6 like this, and it's all about the right footwear. Always study the soles. Great sneakers like your Air Forces, your New Balances, obviously boots, almost always give you between an inch to 2 inches of extra height. That'll make you more attractive. 3, keep your skin hydrated. This one's simple. Your skin is your largest organ. This is what you need to protect. This is what people are seeing. You take care of your skin, it's gonna take care of you back. It's gonna make you look better. You don't want it to be dry. You don't want it to be oily. You don't want it to be filled with acne. You don't want it to be flaky. You don't want it to be ashy. All of this removes or keeps you stuck in that level 3. Something as simple as just moisture. Bro, just moisturize. You moisturize, you get rid of dryness, you get rid of ashiness, you even get rid of oiliness. See, the reason why your skin is overproducing so much oil is because it feels like it's dried out. So every morning when you moisturize, you keep your skin hydrated to avoid it to overproduce oil. That's how you look better. This is why you need a skincare system, and it can't just be anything. You can't use the same products I'm using because your skin type is different than my skin type. That's why I love our sponsor, Geology. With Geology, you get the products that are going to actually work for you. With Geology, if you guys click the link down below, you can speak to a skin consultant or a professional that's going to take a look at your profile, your skin type, your skin problems, and then they'll design a custom kit for you that's made for your skin type and for your problems, where it just becomes easy. They deliver it to your door, it's simple, and you have all the products that you need to make sure you're taking care of your skin, because your largest organ is also what everyone sees. You take care of this, you go from a 4 to a 6 like this if you start fixing all of your skin problems. If you guys want to check out Geology right now, they're running an insane 70% off offer for that first month. It's basically a steal. Considering just how attractive you're gonna look, it is a steal at 70% off for your first, bro. If you don't try this out, you're missing out. Click the link down below. 4, remove excess body hair. Look, bodybuilders get it. Look at any Greek physique, right? They're always lean, shredded. They're cut up. You don't see a bush. You want to remove some of that hair. When you remove the hair from your body, your chest, your stomach, all you're doing is leaning yourself out visually. You look shredded. You look more aesthetic. It is the ideal physique, and that's why so many bodybuilders shave up. So if you guys want to change up your aesthetic a bit, and let's say you're a really hairy dude, trim down the body hair. Keep it trimmed, remove some of it, and look at the difference that it'll make. 5, look proud. I know, your mom probably told you arrogance is a bad thing, and I get it. But your brother's telling you, I want you to be arrogant. See, too many of you walk through life self-defeated. You walk like you've already lost, like you got nothing going for you. I want you to be the opposite. Even though you got 0 in the bank account, that girl just rejected you, your girl dumped you, I want you to walk like you're the man. And it's hard. It's hard because obviously in here defeats out here. Once you're defeated here, your exterior is hard to finesse. I'm going to want you to finesse it. Everywhere you go, I want you to look proud. I want you to look proud of who you are and walk with that energy. That takes you from a 3 to a 7. Confidence is easily the strongest attribute that's free, that all of you can deploy, that'll make you look better. And ultimately, number 6, status symbols. Look, I've said it multiple times. Money plays a role. And it sucks. It sucks, but it's the reality of it. Your status and how much you're able to accumulate will change people's perspective of you. And you can do this with status symbols, right? Your watches, your nice cars. You're not there yet? That's fine. Apply to get a higher level job. Go for the manager position. Go for those higher jobs that you think maybe I'm inadequate. No, try. You can always continue building up your resume, sending it out, continue to build out. And if that's still too much, do it with your clothing, right? Level up. Instead of wearing your basic graphic tees, go for simple tees, right? Solid colors. Maybe you want to level up from tees and start wearing sweaters, right? They're just as comfortable, but you level it up. Instead of wearing sneakers all the time, wear your leather shoes. Level up wherever you can in life to increase the visual status that you display where you go to make yourself look better.